Quick reading for February the 13th to February the 14th. Sagittarius, we have the Lovers, the Four of Wands, I love it, and the Wheel of Fortune. Dun sa mga singles, unahin na natin. Baka makahabol kayo sa Valentine's Day, no? Pwede nyo masabi, sandali, Valentine's talaga nagkaroon ako ng jowa, no? Or dito naman sa mga may relationship, it felt like parang mapapansin natin, bakit parang walang binibigay or walang hint si person na plan, no? Either mag-date kayo, pumunta kayo kung saan. It doesn't have to be some, mag out of town. Pwedeng dyan lang sa kanto or, sa park. Pwedeng kumain kayo sa turo-turo. It doesn't matter, no? Yun lang yung inaantay mo. You have to spend time together. Pero parang feeling mo, bakit walang plan si person? Yun lang ang akala mo. No, parang feeling ko bibiglain ka nito na, bakit hindi ka pa handa? So parang, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. No? It's Valentine's Day. Of course, I'm going to treat you. Yung parang ganyan. Or mauuna, no? Or pwedeng medyo late. Pero still, meron pa rin talagang plan. This is your quick reading, Sagittarius, for February the 13th to February the 14th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.